I go to the hospital. I go to the hospital. I check in at the front desk. I check in at the front desk. I fill out forms. I fill out forms. I sit in the waiting room. I sit in the waiting room. I see the nurse. I see the nurse. The nurse calls my name. The nurse calls my name. I follow the nurse. I follow the nurse. I go to a room. I go to a room. I change into a hospital gown. I change into a hospital gown. I lie on a bed. I lie on a bed. I wait for the doctor. I wait for the doctor. The doctor comes in. The doctor comes in. The doctor examines me. The doctor examines me. The doctor asks questions. The doctor asks questions. I answer the questions. I answer the questions. The doctor gives me medicine. The doctor gives me medicine. I take the medicine. I take the medicine. I feel better. I feel better. I stay in the hospital for a few days. I stay in the hospital for a few days. I rest in my bed. I rest in my bed. I eat hospital food. I eat hospital food. I watch TV. I watch TV. I read books. I read books. I have visitors. I have visitors. My family comes to see me. My family comes to see me. I get well. I get well. I am discharged from the hospital. I am discharged from the hospital. I go home. I go home. I am healthy again. I am healthy again. The hospital helps people. The hospital helps people. It's a place for healing. It's a place for healing.